Good morning, everybody. We're going to be starting our X Sound Maze mats. And what you're going to do here, you're going to follow the X sounds through the maze. And you're going to color the pictures that begins or end with the X sounds. So get your utensil ready here. You're going to start here. And you're going to color if it's begins with X or end in X, you're going to color each X sound. And then after you're done, you're going to, from start to finish, it's going to be a maze. Okay? I'm going to start the first one for you. Rat. Does that start or sound like X? If it doesn't, you don't have to color it. X-ray. Yes, you can color that in. And that's box. Box. Xylophone. 6. Ox. And to finish. So the key is you're going to color the pictures that begin or end with the letter X. I will chat with you guys soon.